June 2022. So here at Norwex, we love having specials at the beginning of the month. So I want to share with you what Norwex specials are this month because they're great. We have a couple spend and get deals, which are fantastic. The first one is if you spend $99 before shipping and tax, you can add an Enviro cloth for only $10. I use my Enviro cloths to clean the whole house, to clean everything. They remove grease, grime, dirt, 99% of bacteria. This has replaced all of my disinfectants, my counter sprays, you name it. This is my go-to. And this isn't the exact one. The one on the spend and get actually has a really pretty blue trim, which is gorgeous, but this is just the plain graphite. I think I have 10 Enviro cloths, you guys. Now, the next spend and get deal is if you spend $110, and you can do both of them if you want. If you spend $110, you get our kitchen cloth and kitchen towel for $15. Now these are great. They work just like an Enviro cloth. They remove grease, grime, dirt, and 99% of bacteria. The difference between these is they are your crumb grabbers. So they have a slightly different texture than an Enviro cloth. They're great for the kitchen. So they have this diamond weave where the Enviro cloth has this really finely woven tighter weave. So this works super on food soiled surfaces, cleaning your table, your counters, your sink, all of those areas, especially after preparing meals. The counter cloth is a perfect size for my hand. I love it. And they're a little thinner than the Enviro cloth, so they dry very quickly. And it has that pretty blue trim that I mentioned was also on the Enviro cloth that's on special. And the kitchen towel that comes in that special is a nice size kitchen towel, very absorbent. It actually absorbs 2 cups of liquid. So perfect for spills and messes, drying hands, drying dishes. This is great. Also removes bacteria, dirt, grease, grime. So, a must have for the kitchen, and has that nice diamond weave as well, which is great for being your crumb grabber. So those are our spend and get deals. And this set, the kitchen cloth and kitchen towel, are $15 with a purchase of $110 or more. And so you're saving at about half, 50% off. So what a great value. And then we do have some featured items this month. So I'll just quickly show you those. So our featured items are the teal dust mitt and the odor eliminator. I talk about the odor eliminator a lot in my videos because I have teens, sweaty teens, a pet, we love cooking fish, and all of those things cause a lot of odors. So the odor eliminator is my go-to for all of that. And you want to use this diluted. You use 2 tablespoons of this in a 16-ounce spray bottle of water. This is our Forever sprayer bottle. It's awesome. Nice glass bottle. This is $16.99 and goes a long way because I can fill up 4 or 5 of these with just one bottle of odor eliminator. So great value. You can use this on garbage cans, on your litter boxes, on fabrics like couches and chairs, curtains, bedding, blankets. The list goes on and on. Anything fabric, you can use this on carpets, all of that good stuff. And then I also will use this a few other ways as well. I'll put a capful of this in my wash. It freshens the load, especially when I'm washing smelly teen clothes or dog beds. It freshens it right up. And I also like using a capful of it in my carpet shampooer. So it works great, has a lot of uses, and it doesn't fill your home with toxic chemicals. So it's a natural way to freshen the house, right? So it is an enzyme cleaner. Enzymes act as catalysts that break down organic matter. And so this finds the source of the odor and eliminates it, versus many other traditional freshener type products that actually just mask odors for a short period of time. They also emit harmful chemicals in the air and on our surfaces. You're not going to have that problem with our odor eliminator. And then the other featured product is our dust mitt. The dust mitt's $20.99. The dust mitt has paid, in my house, has paid for itself hundreds of times probably. Furniture polish costs at least $6 a can. I never buy that anymore. I have it for 2 years. I only use the dust mitt. And this is great because dust is attracted to this like a magnet. And so you just rub it on itself and it kind of activates that static charge ability, and then put it on your hand and dust your surfaces. I like using 2 of these at the same time. I kind of feel like a dusting ninja, but this works great. And the dust doesn't fall on the floor like if I'm getting the ceiling fans. It sticks to the dust mitt until I'm ready to clean it off. And I also use it damp. When I use it damp, that's for the areas that are really, really dusty that I only get every once in a while, maybe shelves that are really high, return air vents, window screens. It cleans window screens so well when it's damp. So lots of uses. So those are our featured products this month and our spend and get deals. I hope you love them as much as I do, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a great day.